Welcome to the final chapter of our walking tour. Today, we venture into the heart of the Iranian plateau to the ancient desert city of Yazd. Yazd is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities on Earth, a living labyrinth of sun-dried mud and straw. In the Fahadan district, these alleys of reconciliation were built so narrow that neighbors had to face each other and speak. Looking up, you see the Badgirs. These ancient wind catchers are a marvel of sustainable engineering, cooling the homes below. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Yazd is the center of the Zoroastrian faith in Iran. We visit the fire temple, a place of profound spiritual significance. Inside, a sacred flame has been kept burning continuously since the year 470 AD, tended to by priests for over 15 centuries. On the city's edge stand the Towers of Silence, where Zoroastrians once practiced sky burials, returning their dead to nature. The silence here is heavy with history, reflecting a philosophy that sees life and death as part of a cosmic cycle. In the heart of the city, the Amir Chakmak complex serves as the social and architectural center of Yazd. At night, the complex becomes a stunning beacon of light, drawing locals and travelers alike to its grand arches. Nearby, we find the Zoroastrian, where ancient Persian athletics and music are still practiced with devotion. Life in the desert is made possible by the Qanat, a 3,000-year-old system of underground canals that bring water from the mountains. These reservoirs, with their deep domes, ensured the city had a constant supply of cool water in the blistering heat. Yazd is also famous for its sweets. A taste of honey-soaked baklava or cardamom-scented gotab is essential. The city is also the home of termeh, a luxurious hand-woven silk and wool fabric that takes months to complete. The Jame Mosque of Yazd boasts the highest minarets in Iran, visible from anywhere in the old city. Its tile work is a masterpiece of geometric precision and spiritual symbolism. As the sun sets, the city of Yazd transforms into a landscape of shadows and golden light. Our three-part journey has taken us from the modern pulse of Tehran to the timeless elegance of Isfahan and Shiraz. We've walked through the ruins of empires and the gardens of poets, witnessing a heritage that spans millennia. And here in the desert, we've seen the resilience and ingenuity of the Persian spirit. Iran is a land that stays with you, its beauty etched in stone and its warmth felt in every greeting. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour. May the stories of ancient Persia continue to inspire you. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.